Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tawala. Welcome back. How you doing? Is everybody still, keeping safe? Is everybody bored out of their mind like I am? Yes. But I was actually going to style this hair. And then I was like, hey, I should record it. I actually started, but yeah, I actually did a video on this hair already, so the details is already on my channel. Okay, so go watch that. So I straightened it. Actually, it looks really nice straight. I like it straight. This is by Bedhead, Wave Artist it's called. So I am using this for the first time. I've seen people on Instagram using this, and I was like, oh, let me try this out myself. So I am doing a styling with this. Well, I'm styling my hair with this. So pretty much a tutorial of using this and see how it turns out. I bought this for $25 at Walmart or 30. But anyway, I'm gonna start with so I already put my hair into two. So guys, this is the finished product from using this, and this is from Bedhead, like I said in the beginning. So I must say I am exhausted. I don't know if I'm a big fan of this, because maybe if I did it on my mannequin I wouldn't mind it, but it took a while. Like it a good period of time to get a decent curl out of it. I actually had to go back to the ones that I did earlier because they all fell out, and pretty much even the ones I went back and fixed already falling out again, but I don't care, I'm not going anywhere. But anyway, and I think that's because I didn't use a lot of hairspray. I didn't want to use a lot of hairspray for this because I don't know what I have against putting a lot of hairspray on my wigs. I don't like them because I actually want to wear my wigs for at least maybe 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks before I go in and revamp it or wash it or condition it. Like, I just want it to not be or just dry, because hairspray does dry out your hair. So I'm not a big fan of that, so I don't use a lot of hairspray. But I don't mind that it fell out. When I was doing it, it was pretty nice. I do like it. It just took forever to do, and I feel like moving forward I would never do this on my head again. I will stick with my mannequin, put the wig on there and do it on there before I put it on my head, because yo, my wrist killing me right now. Maybe this particular one, it might not be the best for the type of look that I'm looking for, at least for like a long-lasting curl that I want. I think other people have a different one that maybe are more expensive. Again, I paid $25 for this, and if I have to go to brunch or a quick outing, I don't mind using this. Like, it's cool, it's fine for me. I just have to make sure I have some type of oiling spray on it, and if it falls out, at least it will still have that wavy. I hope it will still have that wavy look. I don't know, but we'll see. I will give it B minus. Really, I will give it B minus because first, I think you have to let it get really hot, because first of all, it's already on the IS, and then hold it for at least 1 minute, and doing that for each like level, it's a lot of work. I'm hoping that when I do try it on my mannequin, it will be much easier than my experience of doing it on my own head, because my hand was hurting after a while. So we'll see, but this is the finished look, y'all. I don't mind it. Let me go back for you guys to see the full. The ends already dropped, but some are still there, but it's pretty cool. I don't mind it, it's fine. But just be ready to use a lot of hairspray is pretty much my advice for this particular one. But yeah, that is what I did. Hope you guys like this look. I like it. This is pretty cute. Oh guys, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like. I have other videos as well. I also have my website almost done. I just need to put some things in there before being able to launch it. So yeah, I'm hoping by May, or let me just say June. Let's say June, everything should be all set, everything should be ready to launch, and I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm excited. It's been something that I've been so passionate about, and I've been really excited to do for the past 2-3 years now, and I'm so thankful to God that I'm finally getting that chance to do this. I'm about to be a businesswoman, even though I'm already am, but now it's gonna be like official, because I'm gonna have my own website, you know. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like my video, and let me know if you like this look. I don't understand what just happened. I feel like it just keeps dropping as I'm talking, but yeah. And you guys, please stay safe. Let's stay home until they let us out, because I am ready to be out as well. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys. I will see you in my next